So we want to talk a little bit about collinear points. So if you go all the way back to your geometry training, you'll remember that collinear means lying along the same line. Co means together, think like co-worker, co-pilot, and linear, well, the root word of linear is line, so linear has to do with line. So they're collinear, they are together on the same line. So if we have 3 points, P, Q, and R, well, those points are considered collinear if either the directed line segment from P to Q is parallel with the line segment from Q to R, or the line segment P to Q is parallel with the line segment from P to R. So you can either do one of those two. Technically, you can do a few more combinations there if you want to talk about directed line segments, but usually speaking, those are the two that you really want to check. So an example would be, is the point 4, negative 2, 7, the point negative 2, 0, 3, and the point 7, negative 3, 9 collinear. Are those points collinear? Well, we could graph it. We could, check everything out and put dots and draw lines. And you better do it right. And maybe you do it slightly wrong and it looks collinear, or slightly wrong and it doesn't and it should. But the easiest way, again, is to look at this analytically. So let's do this first one. Let's do the PQ. Let's see if PQ is parallel to QR. So let's label these points. P, Q, and R. Notice that I labeled them however I want. I can label these however they want, and this still works. So going from P to Q, you have negative 6 to negative 4. Q to R is 9, 3, 6. Now, the problem with this is if I look at these two, I can figure out the multiplier to get from one to the other, but it's not clean. So why don't we try PR and see if maybe that makes our life easier. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. So we go 3 over, and then negative 1 over, and then 2 over. So, if you think about it, then comparing these two makes a lot of sense, because that's kind of like, it looks kind of doubled there. So what if I say negative 2 times PR? So that's negative 6, positive 2, negative 4. So because there is a number, a scale or number that can multiply times PR to get PQ, then we know that they are collinear. And that's how you do it.